Hello and welcome back. Now, after I showed you how to set up the domain name and your web hosting, how to access your cPanel, it's time to import the website files to the server. I have included a zip file with this video. Download it to your computer. And once you download it to your computer, head over to your cPanel and this time click where it says File Manager. Here on the left, click on Public HTML. The public HTML is like the root of your domain. Now click Upload button here at the top. Select the zip file you've already downloaded. Once finished uploading, just close this tab. Now select the zip file, click where it says Extract files. Now you can delete the zip file for now because we have the files in place. So these are the website files we're going to use, 6 files. Now, if we type our website in the browser, we should see the website live, up and running. So as you can see, the website looks fine. It's functional. Don't forget to take the quiz after you upload the files, just to make sure everything is working correctly. So as you can see, the website works just fine. So this is how you import the files to your server. The website is working fine. What we need right now is find some quizzes for the website, and I'll show you how to do this in the next video.